Hey guys, so today's going to be a little bit of a different video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test the sweat proofness of Senegence products. I'm going to do color corrected tinted moisturizer on this side of my face, and then on this side of my face I'm going to do foundation. Just the MakeSense foundation, not the anti-aging, because I don't have it, first of all, in my skin color. The other thing is it's a little bit too, it's got extra oils in it, which is fantastic for people who are a little bit older and need that extra, but I already have kind of oily skin, so I'm not really interested in that. So color corrected tinted moisturizer on this side and MakeSense foundation on this side, and then we're gonna see how sweat proof it is. And the reason I think now is a good time is because it's currently monsoon in Arizona, which means that not only is it hot, it's humid. So I feel like I'm back in Mississippi. So let's see how this goes. All right, so I've already put on everything. I don't know if you can tell that my skin's a little bit more even, but I put silk on first, had that set for about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. Now I've got this on. I'm gonna head to the gym. It takes me about 20 minutes to get there, so that gives it time to kind of settle in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this towel right here, this nice white towel, and I'm going to kind of boop it on my face every so often to see if anything comes off on it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so here we are. I just finished warming up with a few minutes on the bike, and I'm getting ready to squat first. The thermometer says, or the thermostat says it's 81. I feel like it's closer to 85, and outside it's 40% humidity, so it's probably hotter in here. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm warming up right now for squats, and I'm starting to get sweaty, so nothing yet. So I just finished up my squats. I had a top set of 4 at RP 9. If you ever want to know about RP training, just ask me. Which just means it's supposed to be really hard. It was kind of hard, but I'm alone, so I don't want to die. And then I dropped it down to 74% of that for a 4x4, which was 205, and currently sweating like a pig. And still nothing. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't think that it was actually sweat proof. So right now I'm doing a bunch of doubles at like a warm-up weight. It's supposed to be like a 6-7 RPE scale. I just finished my 5th, I'm supposed to do 8 total. And still hot as hell in here. And still a whole lot of nothing. So doing good so far. So I just finished up my workout. Took me about a little over an hour to do squats, deadlifts, and some accessories. I'm sweating pretty profusely. I'm disgusting. And one last, just to show, there's a little bit down here. Let's see which side is that from. Duplicate it. It's probably from the foundation if I had to guess. Let's see. Yeah, I can't duplicate it. So I don't know where it's coming from. Let's try this. Looks like it's actually the color correcting tinted moisturizer came off just a little bit, but still it's not like some other ones that I've had in the past where you barely touch it and like the entire thing comes off. So I would put this as mostly sweat proof, probably like 90% sweat proof, especially when you're in the sauna like I am. So with that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.